And then we can enter into the whole issue of herbicides. So herbicide spraying, or the perceived need for herbicide spraying, to me ignores a couple of things. After you've done something as radical to a forest like a clear cut, it's going to need a period to reestablish the composition and structure. And it does that by a whole series of different plants and plant communities through time, which also bring along with them animal communities through time. But forestry mistakenly thinks that if we can get rid of those successional plants, which are actually healing the site, they're actually putting it back together in a way that it will develop into an intact forest again. But forestry is impatient. It doesn't want to wait. We know from good research that if you let that natural succession take place, that over time, the growth rate of the conifers that the timber companies want will actually be better than if you try to remove that vegetation. And this is a picture of herbicide spraying, and it's, as I've described, it's really an unnecessary treatment. It threatens water and removes the benefits of those successional processes. Plants, animals, carbon sequestration and storage are all harmed by that approach. So if there is a real concern, which I think there's very few places where that occurs, then don't use herbicides that further pollute water and poison soil, but use partial cut forestry. If you use partial cut forestry, you will avoid a lot of the successional, or minimize the successional process that is perceived to be damaging to timber production. So this is a picture of a natural regeneration in a clear cut that it was or is a biologically rich site. These slides are thanks to Jim Steidel, who I appreciate the chance to use them. So this is before spraying with an herbicide. That's after spraying with a herbicide. So the picture kind of tells it all in terms of the damage of what's occurred there.